How do you know which keywords to target as you get started with SEO? Search engine optimization is challenging enough, but if you don't have the right target in the bullseye to begin with, you don't have much chance of success at all. The bullseye is going to be your primary keywords that are achievable and will make the biggest difference for your business. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to conduct professional keyword research for your website. Stick around. Hi everyone, I'm Jim with Sophia SEO here in Dallas-Fort Worth, and we help local businesses all over the country increase organic search rankings, gain a competitive edge, and convert leads. I publish new videos every week sharing insider secrets and new critical changes that Google seems to be making to their algorithm, so subscribe to my channel to make sure you don't miss important information that matters to your search results. If you're looking for a magic SEO solution, I'm sorry, but it really doesn't exist. If you want to get solid results, keep watching because these practices are going to help you rank for the keywords that will have the biggest impact on your bottom line. Let's start with a simple niche. Today we're going to talk about car repair. So create 2 or 3 base keywords that are short generic phrases like car repair related to your niche. I always tell people to think about what they believe people are searching most often to find their business. Phrases that have the fewest words and with the highest intention to purchase that's possible. So starting now, you've got to use a little common sense in the whole process to get your base keywords. In this case, we'll choose car repair, car maintenance, or something similar. Now you have most of what you need to do keyword research. You'll also need a tool. Ahrefs Keywords Explorer is a comprehensive tool with tons of features. I'll be using it for this tutorial. You can see I'm entering the base keywords into the tool. Now I run a search. Check out the All Keywords Ideas reporting over here. You can see just loads of keyword ideas. Some of these aren't relevant. We'll stick with things related to car repair and add them to our list of keywords. Auto-suggest on Google is a great resource as well. You type in your base keyword, then it's going to give you suggestions to add to your list. Just run the search, scroll down, and check the related searches. If these suggestions help, think about going back to Keyword Explorer. View the search suggestions report. Use the seed keywords, and you may see thousands of suggestions. Choose the relevant ones and add them to your list. Let's go back to the All Keywords Idea Report. We'll filter out anything we don't want to target. To do that, click Filter. Then paste in your keyword list, separated by commas. I'm choosing Show Any Word. That will limit it to keywords that include any of our words. This is still a lot of keywords. Let's get these targeted better. First, there are 3 keyword types. Core keywords are relevant to your business, but they don't earn backlinks. They drive traffic but are highly competitive. Next are keywords that do generate backlinks. Write content using these and people will link those pages. These will help you build authority. The third type are low competition keywords. You can rank easily using these. They also allow you to start the link building process. Low competition is where we start in our report. First, narrow things down by choosing keywords that get at least 200 to 500 searches monthly. Now set the keyword difficulty filter down to 20. If you see branded keywords, just add those to the exclude filter. Last, sort by parent topic to focus on something more generic. This will help us later when we're deciding which topics to cover in content, and it will show where we can optimize for more than one related keyword. For example, when to change my oil and oil change schedule. Now we can go through the list and mark keywords that we can write content around. The next iteration is link building keywords. Let's find pages that have generated lots of links and see why. Then build even better content. Start by increasing the keyword difficulty to 70. Sort by parent topics and filter for 100 monthly searches or more. If there are branded links in your results, scroll past those. The same goes for affiliate topics. What you have left are great keywords to use for building detailed guides and other thought leadership articles. Finally, we have core keywords. Think of keywords that people who are ready to convert will use. For car repair, that might be a phrase like car repair appointments today. Add these to your phrase match report. Choose any word option to see all mentions. Feel free to add filters to target low competition or high volume. Check off what you like, and now you can save your list. We have a ton of keywords, but not all of them are worthwhile. Let's move on to search intent. This is important. Only use keywords if you can really offer people what they are searching for. For even if car detailing shows up on a list, we wouldn't use it because we're a car repair shop. Eliminate those. Now click on SERP. This will give you the top 10 ranking titles. You can figure out search intent from those titles. Don't start making content based on these results. We don't want to see the ranking difficulty just yet. Let's take a look at the SEO metrics for these pages. There are 3 things to view: referring domains or links to that page, the authority of those domains, and relevance. Look at the SERP for this one, and you can see the linking domains. The fewer, the better. And after, look at the authority of the linking domains. Low authority is better. Keep doing this for your low competition keywords, and you'll come away with different search results each and every time. That's why you need to analyze each topic before writing. One final thing before you start creating content. Check the keyword rankings for the top 5 pages for each keyword to get ideas for subtopics. Now you're ready to start writing. This is where your understanding of your business and customers comes into play. You have your keywords and competition pages, but only you can decide on subtopics and add your unique point of view to make your writing stand out. I'll see you in the next tutorial.